Okay, we are ready to begin our first spelling pattern, and we will be focusing on closed syllables. So, how spelling is going to work is we're going to talk about this pattern. We're going to practice using this pattern with lots of different words. And then when we finish this unit on this pattern, we'll take an abbreviated test to make sure that you understand and can apply that spelling pattern to words that have it. So let's go ahead and discuss this pattern. A closed syllables have short vowel sounds. So if a vowel is followed by a consonant, so we have to remember our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. If a vowel is followed by a consonant and a consonant is all the other letters, it makes the short sound. And this is called a closed syllable. And you can see in the example here, fantastic. So if I'm going to, and there's multiple ways you can identify syllables in a word, but you can clap them out. Fantastic. You can put your hand under your chin and say fantastic. And every time your chin touches your hand, that is a syllable. Some words are made up of two or more closed syllables, and some are just one. So, example of closed syllable words. We can read and spell long words if we understand how to break them apart by their syllables. So we want to use that rule that if a vowel is followed by a consonant, it makes the short sound, and that is called a closed syllable. To spell these words, you would break them into two syllables, then tap out the sounds in each syllable. We're not memorizing these words, these are just sample words that follow the rule. And you can tap out any words that follow this pattern because they're called green words. Now, the red words, which are listed at the bottom, are words that you have to memorize because they don't follow a certain rule or pattern. Okay, so let's look at the words that we have listed here. And we're going to read the rows across. We have inlet, basket, velvet, absent, goblet, ramrod, submit, mascot, public, goblin, napkin, hot dog, pig pen, random, cactus, mishap. All of those are two syllable words, and we can split them between the consonants. So it's a consonant vowel consonant pattern, and we can split them between the two syllables. Our red words this week that we will focus on are canoe and through. And then we'll review some of those red words we used earlier in some of those red word building activities. We'll review those as well. So just to review the rule, when a vowel is followed by a consonant, the vowel will be short, and this is a closed syllable. So we have rabbit, rabbit. It splits between the two consonants. Both vowels are short vowel sounds. So when I say short vowel, I mean ah, ah, eh. Those are your short vowel sounds. Long vowel sounds are when the vowels say their name. A, E, I, O, U. So if there are two consonants next to each other in a word, that is where you will split your syllables. So you can see that right there. Another example, napkin. The P and the K are both consonants, so we can split between those consonants to get our syllables. And because the vowel is followed by a consonant, we know it is a short vowel sound. All right, we're going to do some practice with these now.